BMW i5 eDrive40. Yeah, how to use the launch control in a BMW i5. So if you do it in sport mode, then you just step on the brake and the throttle at the same time. Then you see launch control active. But you can also do it in the personal mode. But then you have to press the boost button and then step on the brake and throttle at the same time. Launch control active. And then let's go. So have fun and drive safe.